Okay, the next concept is about circle. Okay, now the question is, see, find the circumference of circle with the following radius. So in the 6th standard you will learn about circle, isn't it? So this is what a circle shape, right? So in this middle point, this is what a center of the circle. So if I write this is O is called center of the circle. Clear? If I draw one line like this, so this is what, if I name this as OA, so this is OA, this length, this is called, this is the radius of the circle. Clear? Radius of this circle. So how many radius can be drawn? We can draw infinitely many radius in a circle, isn't it? So circle, this is what a circle is, a plane curve such that every point on it is at same distance from a fixed point. You can draw like this also, like this also. All these are what? Radius of the circle. Correct? O to A. OA is a radius, and if I name this is B, OB is a radius, OC is a radius. So we can draw many radius in a circle. Clear? So this you are already learned. So now we'll see what is the diameter. So first main thing, you must know what is radius and diameter of the circle. So in this circle, see, in this circle, this is O is this point is O, center of the circle, and this is OA, radius of the circle. And if I extend this, see, if I draw a straight line passing through the center, this is a straight line passing through the center, so that is called what? Diameter of the circle. Clear? So if I want name this as B, AB is a diameter. If I consider OA is what? Radius, and here OB also a radius. So diameter is 2 times of a radius. Means we will say like this, diameter will represent small letter d is equal to 2 times of radius. So radius plus radius. 1 radii plus another radii, 2 radii. So 2 into radii. Clear? So diameter means what? 2 times of a radius. Or radius is a half of diameter. Clear? Radius is half of a diameter. Clear? So now we can draw the diameter like this also. So this is a circle. In this we can draw diameter straight line. This is a straight line passing through the center. So O is a center of the circle. So this line is passing through the center of the circle. So this line is called diameter. Okay, diameter. So here, which is the circumference of circle? So this is what the boundary. This is called the circumference of the circle, or we can say that perimeter of the circle. Clear? This is perimeter, or we can say that circumference of circle or length of the circle. Okay? Sometime we'll ask like this, find the length of the circle, or find the perimeter of the circle, or find the circumference of the circle. See, in the question also they asked, find the circumference of the circle. So that means you have to find how much length is there in the circle. What is the length of the circle? What is the perimeter, boundary of the circle? Clear? So that we have to find. So now, you know, we'll study in the higher classes minor arc, major arc, and sectors. Okay, chord, all this we'll learn in higher classes. Okay, so we'll see now. First, understand which is the diameter and radius of the circle. So this is a basic. So O is center of circle, AB is the diameter, and OA is the radius, and OB also the radius of a circle. Okay, we'll see the question now. The first question is, find the circumference of a circle. Find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. Okay, with the following radius. So in this question, the radius is given. So first one, 14 centimeter, that is the radius of the circle. And 28 millimeter is another radius of the circle, and here 21 centimeter is third one. So what we have to find is, if the radius is 14 centimeter, if this radius is 14 centimeter, then what is the circumference of the circle? If I draw in a wire, if I take 14 centimeter as radius, then how much big circle can be drawn. Clear? So that means if I take here, this is a radius. So now we have to find what is the length of the circle, or the perimeter of the circle, or we can say circumference of the circle. So we have two formulas to find perimeter of the circle and to find area of the circle. So first formula, say listen, I'll write the formulas here. To find area of the circle, the formula is pi r square. So this is the area of the circle. To find area of the circle, we must use this formula. So this is what pi. Pi means this is a constant value. Say pi is the pi value is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay. So this is constant. This you have to by heart. You should remember this. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Clear? The approximately equal to 22 by 7. So here this is a formula to find area of a triangle. Clear? Sorry, area of a circle. Okay, next you have to find perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of circle formula is 2 pi r. 2 pi r, that is the perimeter of a circle or circumference of a circle. To find circumference of circle, we have to use this formula. P is equal to 2 into pi into r. 2 into pi into r. So you understood now pi value is here 22 by 7. So in place of pi, we must substitute for 22 by 7. The value is constant value. So radius, r means radius, 2 is constant, 2 into pi into r. Clear? So if they ask area, then you already a is equal to pi r square. Clear? So this is two formulas, very important formulas in a circle. Okay? Okay, we will find now find the circumference of the circle with following radius. First one 14 centimeter. We'll solve A. Circumference means what? That is a perimeter. Clear? So P is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, 2 into pi into r. So here 2 into pi is 22 by 7. Pi is 22 by 7 and r is 14 centimeter. R is 14 centimeter. That is what radius of the circle. Now we have to divide this. 7 ones are 7 twos are 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So now you have to multiply this. 2 22s are 44. 44 into 2 centimeter. 44 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So answer is P is equal to 88 centimeter. That is what the perimeter of the circle. Okay. First one. Second one 28 millimeter. 28 millimeter means that is radius. R is given. So same formula. P is equal to 2 into 2 pi r. 2 into pi into r. So substitute the values. 2 into, what is the pi value? 22 by 7 into radius. R is 28 millimeter. 28 millimeter. So here 7 will divide 28. Correct? 28 ones are 28 fours are 28 fours are 7 ones are 7 fours are 28. So now you would multiply 4 into 22 into 2. 2 into 22 44 into 4. So now if I multiply this, 2 22s are 44. 44 into 4. So 4 4s are 16. 1 remaining. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 17 millimeter. Clear? So that means 176 millimeter. That is the perimeter of the circle if radius is 28 millimeter. Okay. Now last third one we'll solve. Third one, P is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. So here you have to divide 7 7 ones are 7 3s are 7 3s are 21. So multiply remaining values. 2 into 22 44 into 3. If I multiply this, I'll get 3 4s are 12, 1 remaining, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13 centimeter. So perimeter of circle is 132 centimeter. Clear? Okay. The second question, say find the area of the following circles given that radius is equal to 14 millimeter and diameter is equal to 49 meter. So in this question the pi value is already given in the bracket 22 by 7. So in place of pi we must write 22 by 7. Clear? So radius is 14 millimeter. So if radius is a 14 millimeter, what is the area of the circle? So to find area of the circle we must use this formula, pi into r square. So that means a is equal to pi r square. So value of pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 14 mm the whole square. Clear? R square, r is a radius, r is a 14 mm. So r square 14 mm the whole square. So if I write 22 by 7 into 14 mm into 14 mm in this 7 table divides, isn't it? 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. So what is remaining? 22 twos are 44 into 14 millimeter into millimeter, that is millimeter square. Correct? So now we have to multiply 14 into 44. So multiply 44 into 14. So now 4 4s are 16, 1 remaining, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. Correct? 4 4s are 16, 1 remaining, 4 5s are 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. So now 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So now write 6, 7 plus 1, 7 plus 4 how much? 11, 1 means 6, 16. Is it correct? So 616 millimeter square. So this is area of triangle. Okay, second question, see like this. Find the area of the following circle given that pi is equal to 22 by 7. It is given, pi value is given. So the question is you have to find area if radius is 14 millimeter. So we want to find the area of the circle. Clear? So to find area of the circle we have to use one formula. A is equal to pi r square, pi into r square. So pi value is given in the bracket, so that is given in the question 22 by 7. Is it correct? Pi is 22 by 7 into r. Radius is 14 millimeter the whole square. 14 millimeter. That means 22 by 7 into 14 millimeter the whole square means 14 millimeter into 14 millimeter. Correct? So here 7 table divides 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. Okay, now multiply 22 into 2, 44 millimeter into 14 millimeter. So now if you multiply 44 into 14, so we'll get 4 4s are 16, 1 remaining, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. So 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4. So 6, 7 plus 4 is 11. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. So answer 616 millimeter square. Okay, this is the area of the area of a circle. Clear? Area of circle is a 616 millimeter square. What you have to do, read the question. Here they asked to find area and what is given, radius is given. So direct you have to use the formula A is equal to pi r square. So pi value you know 22/7. So r is a 14 mm the whole square. 14 mm whole square means 2 times 14 into 14. So 14 into 14. 7 divides 14. So if you multiply, we get 616 millimeter square. That is the area of the circle. Now B. One more question, sub questions here. Diameter. So if diameter is 49 meter. First, if diameter is 49 meter, what is the radius? So how to find radius? I said no, radius is a half of the diameter, means d by 2. Diameter divided by 2. Half of the diameter. Radius is half of the diameter. So diameter is 49 divided by 2. 49, so divided by 2. So now r is 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are 8. 8 means 1 remaining, 10. So that is 5. 24.5. So this is what? Radius. Sometime the radius will not give directly. So diameter is given. So you have to find a radius. Clear? So if r is equal to 24.5 centimeter, 5 meter, then what is the radius of the circle? Clear? Yes. Okay, next after getting radius, so what you have to do? You have to find area. So you have to use one formula. A is equal to pi r square. Pi r square. So here pi is 22/7 into radius we know 24.5 meter. So if you want, you can simplify or directly you can substitute. Why? Because if you write 49/2 here direct, 7 divides 49, right? So I think instead of dividing directly, you can write radius. Radius is diameter by 2. Diameter is 49 divided by 2. So no need to simplify, write as it is in the substitution. So substitute here in the formula. Okay. So simplify, so you can again you have to convert into fraction, decimal. Okay. So no need, you write this as r is equal to 49/2 meter. Okay. Now substitute. What is r? R is 49/2. So 49/2 the whole square. R is 49/2 the whole square. Okay. Now A is equal to 22/7 into 49/2. The whole square means 49/2 into 49/2. 49/2 into 49/2. So here divides, correct? 7 divides. 7 1s are 7 7s are 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49. Similarly 2 1s are 2 11s are 2 11s are 22. So what we'll get? The remaining values are 11, right? 11 into 7 into 49 divided by 2. Okay. So now if I multiply 11 into 7, I'll get 77 into 49 divided by 2. So this is a homework. You have to multiply these two and divide it by 2. So we'll get one answer. That's the final answer. That is what area of the circle. Clear? So you can do this multiplication 77 into 49. You have to divide it by 2. So that is a homework. Yes. Thank you.